bad. What cookie?
Bibi yung tayong paalala mo dyan.
I don't know cookie. Blue cookie. I want to eat this. Giving me also vibes. Twisted cookie. Cookie and tree eye. This is so big. Red/angry cookie. This is not really good cookie, but I just wanted to test this out. It's just a tomato. Warrior cookie. Oh. This is not really okay, but evil cookie. Another evil cookie.
Ay, patawag pa.
Creepy cookie. Injured cookie. Cookie revamped. I did not expect cookie, but very bad. Rayman cookie. Real parodia. What? Rainbow cookie. Inverted cookie. And to end this, we got my country.
Nagbibilan tayo ng mga damit.
Country welcome. Okay, wait for part 3.